Good morning. Today I'm going to talk with you about the brain. Why do we need the brain? The brain is something beautiful. And when we hadn't had the brain, we would have been all dummies. As already mentioned, one of our important organs is the brain. I will discuss functions and structures of some parts of the brain. Who has the brain? All creatures of the earth, from the smallest ant to the biggest elephant. Every creature is different and therefore has different forms of the brain. For example, the brain of the sea star is radially symmetrical, and when we pay attention to the tiger, we see a similarity with the human body, with the human brain. Excuse me, brain, okay. So we should imagine a red line dividing the brain in two parts, a left one and a right one. Here we say only symmetrical and not, as said before, radially symmetrical. Okay. In this moment I will consider some parts of the brain without going in details. We have brainstem, cerebellum, thalamus, and cerebrum. Brainstem is divided, as you can see, in three parts: midbrain, pons, and medulla oblongata. And the brainstem is responsible for breathing, circulation, and digestion. And if you want, you can try it touching the parts of the brain that I am discussing now. We have then cerebellum, and cerebellum controls our body and makes possible to remember. It is called motion memory. That means when we learn to ride a bike, for example, we need some time, but after that we can ride a bike, and therefore we can remember, and it means cerebellum is responsible for this. Then we have thalamus. Thalamus is really important because it's like a radar that serves data and sends where it is needed in the whole brain. And the hypothalamus, homeostasis, is also important because it maintains the body temperature. And the last one is cerebrum. Cerebrum is cerebrum has thousands, as you can see, thousands and millions